Hello. This is Michael McDuffie coming to you again from my home office here in Leesburg, Georgia. Just want to do this quick video on this package reveal video. But before I get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I make a video, because I will be making more videos. So let's get into it. For those that been following me here on YouTube, you know that I work out of town. I work 2 weeks out of town, and every 2 weeks I come back home, and the first thing I do when I get back home, I go directly and check my mailbox. I always have something waiting on me in my mail, because I get notification when I have a package that is too large to go into regular mailbox, the regular rental box. When I have a package that's too big, most of the time it's either a FedEx package or a priority envelope package. I get a notification. So when I came home and went to my mailbox, I knew that I had some packages waiting on me. Now, I got a total of 26 items. That means I had 26 different packages, whether with envelopes and things. But I already know I had got notification of 4 packages that I was looking forward to. And because those packages I know contain money and wealth. I explain that in a minute. Those 4 packages I know contain money and wealth. So let's get into it. Here go one of the package here. 125. Okay, that's my mailbox. There go package number 2. All right, and here go FedEx package number 3. And here go another package here. Okay. On the right side of me, I got my wealth. On the left side of me, I got my money. Okay. What's inside these two packages? What's inside these packages? I know what it is. These are free envelopes. Not envelopes. Wow. These are free postcards. The opportunity that I'm in, the number one direct mail opportunity that's out today. Every time I get a sign up, I get free postcards. But what I do with the commission that I get from mailing these postcards, and that's what I love about this. I can do this, which I do it mostly 90% offline. I don't have to bother nobody. But the commission that I get from these package, what's inside these package, I invest in myself to create wealth, what is inside these packages. And so we're going to do a reveal. So let's do a reveal of what's inside this package. Like I said, this package came to me. Let me get this. Okay, as you can see, let me see, can you see it? I think the camera giving a glare, but it says 6/17 when this package was delivered. Anyway, you see it's still sealed up, 6/17. Let's go to this package. Like I said, I already know. Okay, inside this package, right, 100 postcards, 200 postcards, it says 300 postcards, and mailing names. See, that's why I say I got free postcard and free people to mail to. And um, sign up, and I got cash. All right. All right. Cash. And that envelope. And free postcard and free name. Okay, got another one. Open it up. Just a normal routine. It ain't nothing really, it ain't really too much excitement to me now, cause it's just a normal routine. Getting cash in the mail. It's part of my lifestyle. All right. Out of that envelope, just open another 100, another 100, another 100. So I got 600 free postcards. And again, free names to mail to. Don't have to bother nobody. Just mail. And once again, $25, $50. Now, like I say, ain't no hype about it. Just get free postcards, free names, mail, get cash back. That's my lifestyle. That happen every week. Every week I come back home. But this what get me excited. Because what you just saw, what I received from that. Okay, what you just saw what I received from that. This when I get excited. I take what I got from that. And see this some package here. Okay, still closed. Alright. Drop it. That's it up. We ain't gonna lose that. I won't drop that. Okay. I do not call this here a business. I call it leaving a legacy, creating generational wealth. Let me show you what was inside here. See, that's why I say, I don't know if you can see it. Camera on doing justice. So you can might see that silver coin. That panda, that's a panda series. It's a 2021 China 30-gram silver panda coin. Right? That I buy silver. That's right. I invest in myself. I buy silver. This is generating wealth. This is the assets. So the money the paper money that I receive from that, I invest in sound money. All right. Now, here go another one. I know what's inside here. Coming from FedEx. This is my number one. This is my number one wealth generation. Generating wealth. If you want more information about all of this, it'll be in the description below. All right, so giving you, telling you a little bit about the company. All right. I mean, this is what get me excited. See, look at that. That's what get me excited. All right. So, never see what else. There's something else inside here. Now we're not through. I'm about through. But ain't nothing else I can really tell you. Okay. It's what gets me excited. See there right there. I know what you can see. Don't worry. If you go on Facebook, you'll be able to get a closer look. It's over on Facebook too. But this is a half-ounce silver proof coin. Okay, so that's what I do. I mail these paper postcards to get the cash that you saw that I received, and I buy silver. I buy coins. I buy silver and gold coin, precious metal assets. I invest in myself to create generational wealth, to have a walk-away income. So if you'd like more information about what I just shared with you in the video, all the information is below, in the description below. As always, make sure you like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I make a video, because I will be making more videos. So thank you for your time. Thank you for coming by, checking out my video. As always, stay safe, be blessed, and we'll talk to you real soon. Have a good one.